Tearing my home up there, Bubba. Puppy's got a big old tumor inside of him, and look at him play. Oh, he's all pretty. Look how pretty he is. He's trying to keep up. Not too fast, puppy. You're not a little chicken now, but you're doing a good job. Look at this. Just got clipped a couple days on Saturday. He's over here, Bobby. He's over here. Why? Bring around the Rosie. Here we go again. Well, Pop. Bubba, sit still so I can catch ya. There. He's right there. Here he comes. He's going to catch ya. He got ya. He got ya. He got ya. No fair hiding under the tray. Catch me, catch me, catch me if you can. Okay, they can't. So they'll just... Come on, Bubba. Out. Out. Out, out, out. Come on. Out. Come on. Out. Out, Bubby. There they go. Bring around the Rosie again. Aren't you going to let him catch you? All right, let him catch you. Poppy, come here. Poppy, stop. Poppy, stop so you can catch him. He's right there. Stop, Bubby. Let him catch you. You're terrible. You're right here, Bubby. Poppy's right here. Right there. Wow. What was that, Poppy? Old man. Look how old he is. Oh, he's a... Jeez, look at that. That's just so sad. But at least he's still playing. I'll get an opinion. What do you guys think? If you have an old dog, you still got some energy like this, would you go ahead and have a tumor taken out at 15? I did with one dog and he made it 3 more years. But these dogs have been playing. I just don't want him to, Bubba, not to have a friend. I'm not going to get any more dogs. I can't believe he's still playing. I guess I should probably take him and see if we can get that tumor out. Should we get that tumor out, Bubba? Bubby, can't you do this outside? You're worse than a cat. Lord have mercy. Well, gotcha. Nah, you know what, Bobby? I think I'd give it up. It's like trying to catch a wet banana. Oh, he's getting smart, Bubba. He got it smart. He's not following you anymore. He's turning around. Good job. Good job, Bobby. Well, that was our excitement for this morning. New Sega. Let's play with the dogs. Right, Bobby? Bobby. He says, I don't care. Bobby. Say hi to your audience. All right, Bubba, where are you? Bubby. Oh, you guys want to go outside? Yes, let's go outside. Go pee-pee. All right. Oh,